Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix car street not showing on Play Store. For example, if you search for car street in here Play Store, then you can see that there is no game related to that search. Any other games are available, but the car street is not available. Then how you can make this available in Play Store? So what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply click on the profile of the Play Store. After that, you have to click on the settings. In settings, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the about section. After that, you have to click on the update Play Store here. After checking whether your Google Play Store is up to date or not, after updating your Google Play Store, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you have to close the Play Store. After closing the Play Store, what you have to do, you have to simply open Chrome or any kind of browser you have. So after that, what you have to do is you have to simply open a new tab. In new tab, you have to search for simply Cars Street here. After you search for car street here, then you will find the first option of the car street here. If you click on that, then you can easily find the option of car street. But as this device is not compatible with this version of the car street, so I am unable to install it on the Play Store. So if you want, or if you are looking for simply car street on the Play Store, then here you can simply find the car street here. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.